So for my screencast, I decided to do some slides on what sport I decided to play, as I used to play two when I was younger, and it was basically choosing between soccer and softball. So soccer was my first sport. I started playing when I was 5. I got into it because my parents loved to watch it. I joined my first club team at 9, but once I got into high school, I decided to quit club, and my senior year is when I decided to officially stop playing soccer. And for my softball part, I started playing at the age of 7. I made All-Stars twice in rec ball. I started playing travel ball at 10. In high school, my freshman year, I made JV, and I was pulled up to CIF as well. And the remainder of my years, I was on varsity. And I was committed to the University of La Verne towards the end of my senior year for softball. And I'm now currently on the team here at ULV. And further into my softball journey, the reason why I decided to quit soccer was because I've always been better at softball. And also, not to mention, I've always had more friends in softball and I was closer to those teammates. And like I said before, it wasn't until high school where I officially made softball my number one priority. Making this decision was hard, but having my childhood teammates from rec ball go to my high school gave me another opportunity to be teammates with them once again. And now current day, this is my second year on the softball team here at La Verne. Last season we were doing really good and had a chance of winning SCIAC, but season was canceled due to COVID, and hopefully there will be a season this year, as it's weird for me to not be playing anything at all and having more free time.